of them. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. That looks good.
We're gonna go with 3 of them in a 4th order.
Wow. Oh, so you're gonna go walled or no wall still? Walled. Sorry. Awesome. Are these 6-inch? 8 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. Got 3 of them.
Reminds me of one of my exes.
Yeah, I like to get a demo, man.
Get the alternator running. We're gonna put 2 10s in the doors.
Okay.
We're gonna have to get another alternator too.
It's a beast amp. I mean, beast alternator too. 370. Wow.
Hey Waller, you'll shut that up? Come on, get it shut up.
This was on your subs. Did I ever shut this?
Yeah.
So what is your name and full rundown of equipment?
Duke Fur, got 4 gold 15s, 1 3K, same as last time, same setup.
Tuning?
31.
31?
I think it peaks at like 39.
Okay. And what is it, meter?
52, 152.
52? All right. For a no wall, that's pretty good. Heck yeah. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Duke. I like the doors too.
Appreciate it.
I know it's simple, but it works.
Yeah, 210s eventually. Redoing the 210s.
Okay.
It's a bigger amp, so.
Have a good day, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.